Imagine this. It's mid-afternoon and the hunger pangs hit. You're deep into your ketogenic journey, but the vending machine at work is calling your name with its high-carb temptations. How do you stay in ketosis without feeling deprived? The answer lies in having a smart snack strategy. One of the most effective ways to keep those carbs in check is by prepping your own keto-friendly snacks. Start by stocking up on nuts like almonds and macadamias. They're not only low in carbs, but also high in healthy fats, making them an ideal choice to keep you fueled. Cheese crisps are another excellent option. They satisfy that crunchy craving without knocking you out of ketosis. If you're looking for something with a bit more substance, consider making a batch of egg muffins. Packed with protein and fat, they're perfect for on-the-go snacking. For a sweeter option, try dark chocolate with at least 85% cocoa content. It's a decadent treat that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar spike. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of avocados. Slice one up, sprinkle some salt, and you've got a creamy, delicious, and filling snack. By planning ahead and keeping these low-carb snacks handy, you'll effortlessly maintain your state of ketosis and keep those cravings at bay, all while enjoying tasty bites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for future uploads.